across my page. It's a way of supporting me. Please kindly give me a follow. Keep tapping on your screen, please. Do not forget. Ngutuku, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Thank you all for your engagement. We are starting. We're starting like right away. We're starting. This is going to be a 3 hours live session. So believe me, we have a whole lot to gain today. Please, if you have any JAM aspirant for 2020, can I invite them to this my live session, please? Oh, my light just got broke. My light, so I'm trying to set up. My lights got broken this morning on my tripod while trying to set up. Please, it's starting to. Venus, welcome to my chat. Orientation is good. Orientation is good. So all my viewers are welcome me all. Please kindly give me a moment while I'm trying to set up. Tessie on YouTube, good morning. Good morning, Tessie. Hope you have a good night. Tessie, please let me know if you can see the screen clearly. If my screen is clear, please let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comment section, okay, if the screen is clear. Tessie, if the screen is if my board is clear, please kindly let me know. Yes, my people on TikTok, good morning everyone. I welcome you back. So we have so many answers here. So as I said this morning, I'll be random questions from Jamb. Jamb random questions. So my Facebook, good morning to you. Oh wow, I can see so many comments here on Facebook. Hello everyone, you're welcome. You're all welcome. I welcome you all to this my live session. We'll be starting soon, as I promised. We're starting almost immediately. Okay, you can see you. All right, that's you. Thank you. So we are going to start now. So let's see those that got it right. So we're going to start now with set. So let's see those that got the answers right. Let's see those that got the answers right. So to this morning session, we're going to be solving random jam questions. Random. I'll be picking questions randomly in maths, specifically maths. We're doing maths this morning. So we're doing maths this morning. All questions are from Jamb, random questions. Anyone I come across is the one I'll just pick and solve together. So irrespective of where you're watching me from, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook, I welcome you to my live this morning. So I'm streaming on different social platforms. So just I'll be picking random jam questions. Okay, please guys, you're writing on the wall. Oh, he's invited. Oh, thank you for letting me know. I don't even know. Sorry. Okay, thank you. Fit one, thank you. Thank you so much. So let's see those that got the answer correctly. Let's see those that have the correct answer. Let's see. Okay, so let's see those that got this answer correctly. This is a jam question. I was supposed to drop you. So let's solve. Okay, so let's begin. Let's do this 10 minus. If you want to follow the rule of God mass, what do? God mass is what? You start with the brackets, then you go to the what? Order, then division, multiplication, addition, then before you move on to subtraction, right? So what we're going to deal with first is the bracket, because we have a bracket here. So you have to deal with what you have inside the bracket, irrespective of the operation you have in the bracket. That doesn't matter. What matters is you treat whatever is in the bracket. So what we have inside this bracket now is 6 minus 4, right? So 6 minus 4 gives us what? 2, right? So this now becomes 10 minus 2. So 10 minus 2 plus 1, 8. So to those that got 8 as their answer, they have it correctly, okay? So good job, guys. Good job. Oh, Nathaniel, the answer is not 12. So to those that got it correctly, thank you. Let's encourage everyone. Let's encourage you all. Whether you got it correctly or not, somebody has done a good job, and that is what matters, right? So to all those that got it, if you got it and you did not get it, good job. All right, guys. So remember, we are solving random jam questions. Jam questions. Okay, let me indicate the subject. So in case anyone coming to join sees there is not a subject of his interest, so the person will know what we are doing. So we have this interesting question which says evaluate is we have to time ourselves. We act like we are actually writing the jam. 2 to the power of 0 plus 4 to the power of minus 1 over 2. All of this to the power of 2. So since it's jam, let me drop the options. Or tell me in the comment section, should I drop the options or not? Let me know in the comment section. Will there be need for me to drop the options, or I should just write only the questions I will solve? Let me know in the comment section, irrespective of where you're watching me from. Should I drop the options? Is there need for me to drop options since you're solving jam questions? Okay. Ali Ibrahim, thank you. You got it right. Anas, hope you have seen the solution, okay? So thank you all for your... That is on Facebook, okay? Thank you all. All right, guys, let's go. Please keep tapping on your screen. Keep tapping on your. Show me support, please. The more yes we need. Okay, Idris Yakubu on Facebook says no need. Okay, all the options. All right, if that is the case, guys, let's solve this and drop the answer. Please, in 30 seconds. Let's solve and drop the answer. In 30 seconds, let's drop our answers, please. Irrespective of where you're watching from, kindly drop your answer. Drop your answer, drop your answer. If this is your first time coming across my video, kindly give me a like, kindly give me a follow. That's a little way you can support me. That's a way of supporting what I'm doing. Please, if you like what I'm doing, kindly give me a like and please repost this live. Guys, keep tapping on your screen. Drop your answer. Drop your answers. That's how we do it. When you drop your answer, then we check. We check if your answers are correct. That's how we do it here. 10 seconds more. I'm telling you all. 10 seconds more. 10 seconds more. Kindly drop your answer. Kindly drop your answer. From Facebook, please kindly ask reasonable questions, please. Because is to solve math questions, okay? You can ask private questions on my DM, but not here. Please kindly drop your answers. 5 seconds more. Okay, we have different answers. TikTok, different answers. Hey, KT Engineering, you're welcome. Drop your answers, guys. Drop your answers. Drop your answers. So we have an answer here. Somebody has 1. Another person has 9/4. We have 2.25. Okay. Guys, I need more answers from the audience. So I'm going to do a countdown of 5. Okay, we have another answer, 2.25. Drop your answers. I'm going to do a countdown of 5. I'll do a countdown of 5. So now it's okay. Guys, let's solve this together. Who can tell me? Who wants to come up? If you're here on TikTok and you want to come up and explain to us how to solve this, kindly come up. Who wants to come up? Who wants to come up here? Who wants to come up? Who wants to come up? And send an invite. I'll accept you. Guys, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. You have another answer, 17/4. Who wants to come up? Okay. CK wants to come up. So we have to do this fast. No, my class is always an interactive one. I do not do the teaching alone. I make my class interactive, irrespective of the platform I'm teaching on. Interactive, okay? That's what makes it interesting. We share knowledge. We're here to share knowledge. Hello, TK, can you hear me? You're welcome. Good morning. TK, good morning. Can you hear me? All right, good morning. Let's go. Let's go straight to the solution. Now, help us out with this. What do we do first? Yes, yes. Okay, 2 to the power of 0 here becomes 1, right? Plus, yes. The 4 to the power of -1/2. What do we do to it? We can split the 4 to 2 to the power of 2. Okay. Okay, to the power of -1/2. All to the power of 2. Okay. And you're leaving, then this 2 to the power of 0, you're leaving it as 1. Okay, go on. Okay, which two are you canceling here? You want to cancel the base. You mean we should cancel this base here? Okay, the power, okay. All right. All right. So this becomes this 1 plus this 2. So what is it this power I'm talking of? 2 times -1/2, right? Okay. Okay. Good. So we have -1. All right. So this becomes 1 plus 2 to the power of -1 all to the power of 2, right? All right, go on. Okay, 2 to the power of -1 is the same thing as saying 1 over 2 when you take the reciprocal. Okay, this is correct. To the power of 2. So what do we do next? Okay, so this becomes 2 as the LCM. Let's go on. Okay, okay, so we have 2 here. Because this is the same thing as saying 1. So 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 times 1 gives us this 2. That's how T is answer. Okay, for those of the black approachinos. Okay, plus. Okay, go to the next one. Plus 1. That is 2 to the power of 2 is 1. 1 times 1 gives us 1. Okay, so this becomes to the power of what? To the power of 2, right? So this is equal to what? 2 plus, okay, that is 2 plus 1 over 2, all to the power of 2, right? Okay, so go on. What do we do next? Okay, please. Okay, so this is 3 to the power of 2 divided by 2 to the power of 2. So 3 to the power of 2 means 3 times 3, which gives over 2 to the power of 2 means 2 times 2, which gives us 4. So TK, is this your final answer? Okay, guys, let me know in the comment section, is TK correct? If it's correct, kindly type correct. If 9 over 4 is the correct answer, kindly type correct in the comment section. Kindly type correct in the comment section. Kindly type correct in the comment section if TK is correct, from those watching me on TikTok. Okay, correct. All right, TK, thank you so much for your contribution. Okay. To those who might not understand what we have done here, we are solving random questions in Jamb. So the first question here says, evaluate 2 to the power of 0 plus 4 to the power of -1 over 2, all of this to the power of 2. So we know that in indices, any number to the power of 0 gives us 1. That's why 2 to the power of 0 here is 1. Plus, now this 4, he decided to take this 4 to make this 4 appear in what? In base 2. So 2 gives us 4. Remember, we have a power here which is -1 over 2, and all of these values in the brackets is raised to the power of 2, right? So simplifying further, what we did here was to multiply these powers. If you multiply 2 times -1 over 2, the 2 we cancel 2, will be left with just minus. We have the -1 here. So this becomes 1 plus 2 to the power of -2. In indices, if you have 8 to the power, taking the reciprocal, which is 8 to the power of 8. So same rule to this question, 2 to the power of -1, this gives us 1 over 2. So that's how TK got this 2 to the power of -1 to become 1 over 2. All right? So taking the LCM, me, I do not actually use this process. What I just do is I multiply this way. I use the scissors method or butterfly method as it's called. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 1. See this how it's easier this way and straightforward. 1 times 1 is 1 over the multiplication of the 2, which is 1 times 2 gives us 2. And remember, we have this power, don't forget. 1 is 3 over 2. Once all these values we have in the bracket will be affected by the power. So this is now saying 3 square over 2 square. 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. So from the options I have here, the correct option is option C, which is 9 over 4. So easy and straightforward. Thank you, everyone. Okay. All right, so let's go to the next question. Can you type continue if you understand in the comment section? Can you type continue? Can you type continue in the comment section if you understand? Move on to the next one. Can you type continue? Please, I do not have an assistant here helping me out to check out. Please, if anything is not right with the video, please let me know. If it is not clear at the point or if my audio is not clear, please kindly let me know in the comment section. I'll be reading comments. So let's have another question here. So the next question here says, which of the following is not a factor of 12 to the power of 4 minus 5 to the power of 4? So this, we definitely need the options, right? So there are some questions that comes in Jamb that you don't have to solve. All you just have to do is to go to the options, look at the options given, impute using each of the options to get the correct answer. So we have 5 options here. One of these options is the correct answer. So let's try this, guys, in 60 seconds. Let's try this in 60 seconds and drop an answer in the comments. Which of the following is not a factor of 12 to the power of 4 minus 5 to the power of 4? So what this means is that what? All of these options except one is not a factor of this value here. So let's do this, please. We have 50 seconds more. We have 50 seconds more. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Okay, TK, you're welcome back. Let's do this. Thank you. Please can you give me a follow and don't forget to share. You post this live. Keep guys, that's a way of supporting me. I'm Nobu. Kind words. Thank you. This means a whole lot to me. Guys, let's go. Drop your answer. We have 30 seconds more. 30 seconds more. 30 seconds more. Let me give you an insight on how to solve this question. Insight, a simple insight. Look at this. 12 to the power of 4 minus 5 to the power of 4. This is difference of two squares. Use difference of two squares. You get your answer sharp. Please, I'm waiting. Use difference of two squares. D. Larry has D. Please, Desmond, you're welcome. Please kindly give me a follow. You're welcome to my live. Please kindly keep tapping, share, repost this live so that you get to a larger audience, okay? Guys, keep tapping. I'm still waiting to get more answers. 10 seconds more. 10 seconds more. We have 10 seconds more to go. Keep tapping. 10 seconds more. Guys, thank you for the follow. Keep reposting. I need more answers. 5 seconds more. I've on how to solve this. This is Jamb. So we have to be fast as we can. Abdul has A. Let's get more answers. 49. Mutuku has 49, which is option. Okay. So I'll be the one to solve this so that we have to be fast about it. Guys, keep tapping on your screen. We share this live. Keep tapping. Repost. Share, keep tapping. The more you tap, the more viewers we get, the more audience we have. Remember, this live is going to last for how many hours? 3 hours. So let's do this. We have so many answers in the comment section. Let's see those are correct. Almost all the options have been chosen. Look at this now. This is difference of two squares. I know that if you have a square minus b squared, this is equal to what? A plus b multiplied by what? A minus b. So in this case now, what do we do? This is 12 to the power of 4 minus 5 to the power of 4. Who can tell me in the comment section what's the first step I do? In the comment section, please. I'm in the comment section. Who can tell me the first step? What do I have to do here? Guys, go on. This is to the power of 4. So what do we do? Let me make this faster. Guys, see. This is 12 to the power of 4 minus 5 to the power of 4. I said we should use difference of two squares. So let's make this 12 to the power of 2 This 4 is the same thing as saying 2 times 2, right? So this becomes 12 to the power of 2. Okay, let me do this way first. This 4 is 12 times, 2 times 2, right? Then minus 5 to the power of the 4 here is also what? 2 times 2. So let's simplify. Same thing as saying 12 to the power of 2. Let's put this in the brackets, all to the power of 2, minus this 5 to the power of 2, and then all to the power of the 2 here. This means the same thing because 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4, so it means the same thing. Now let's use difference of two squares to simplify. 12 square, 12 square. So now we are using difference of these two squares. This 12 square here represents the A, this represents the value for the B. So now we now substitute it here. So you understand, please tell me understood or tell me continue in the comment section. Tell me continue in the comment section if you understand what I just did. Please tell me continue in the comment section. I'm waiting, please. I'm waiting. Continue. All right. Please, those streaming on via YouTube, tell me continue. Tell me continue. If you're watching from Facebook and you follow what I'm doing, kindly type continue. All right. We have some answers here. Okay. So what do I do at this point? So let's do this. So now the A here now is 12 square plus what's the value for the B? B is what? 5 square. Then multiply by 12 square minus 5 square. So let's simplify this, guys. What is 12 square? Please, let's make the class interactive. 12 square, 12 square. What's the value for 12 square? Let's make the class interactive. Please, I'm waiting, I'm waiting. Tell me the value for 12 square plus 5 square. Just tell me the final value for 12 square plus 5 square. Let's make this interactive now. 12 square plus 5 square. 169, right? So this is going to be 169. Then 12 square minus 5 square. 12 square minus 5 square. 12 square minus 5 square. Guys, I'm waiting. This class interactive now. So I'm waiting. I'm in the comments, please. I'm in the comments. Oh, my network is a bit poor. Somebody says 169. From the comment section, or is it not correct? Mr. Anonymous said 169. Is the answer not correct? Please let me confirm. Is it 199? 199. You know, we assume that we are doing calculator, right? Interactive. Please, let's make it interactive. Let's make the class interactive. So let's continue. Okay, you know, I'm handling I'm live on my 3 different platforms. So I have to be checking to ensure everything is good. So here we have 12 square plus 5 square. This gives us 169, right? So this is 12 square minus 5 square. This is another difference of 2 squares, right? So this 12 square minus 5 square is going to be what? It's going to be another 12. Who can tell me what will this become? This becomes 12 plus 5 and what? And 12 minus 5. So here we have 169. So what is 12 plus 5? 12 plus 5 is what? 17. And what is 12 minus 5? 7. 169. If you do this, we have 169, right? If you do this 12 square minus 5 square, we have this is another difference of 2 square. 12 plus 5, which is 17. 12 minus 5, which is 7. So let's check. The question says one of them is not a factor. Let's check. Let's check. We have 7. 7 is a factor. 169 is a factor. 17 is a factor. Then what about this 13? Between 13 and 49, who can tell me? How do we know if it is 13 or 49? How do we know if it is 13 or 49 that will be the answer? Yes, somebody should tell me in the comments. Somebody should tell me in the comments. Who can tell me in the comments to know if it's 13 or 49? Somebody should tell me in the comments. You know, we are here to share knowledge. I want to see how well we can do this ourselves. Who can tell me? No, go get her. I need good. M square, yes. You should split the first bracket. So this 169, we can split it to 13, 13. Or you can try to take the square root of 169. 13 times 13 will give us 169. 13, so we have 17 and we have 7. Long like this because I'm trying to carry everybody along at the same time. So we have 13, 17, 13, 17, and 7. Right? And what again? Please hope I'm correct though. 17, 7, 169, and also 13. So you can see from what we have solved now, 49 is not part of the factor here. 49 is not part of the factor here. Please, are we clear? Please, are we clear? If you are clear, please type continue. If you are clear, please type continue. Type continue so we can move on to the next one. Okay, Larry says yes. If you are clear, type continue in the comment section. Let's go on. Remember, we are solving random Jamb questions. Okay, I can see a whole lot saying continue. So I'm just picking random Jamb questions. Random Jamb questions. Okay. So the question can come from any topic. Any topic. So we just assume like we are writing Jamb. Okay, so the next question here says, this is a question under profit and loss. When a dealer sells a bicycle for 81 naira, he makes a profit. He makes a profit of 8%. Of 8%. So the question says, what did he buy? What did he buy for the bicycle? What did he buy? This is what we can see here. This is supposed to be what did he buy? How much? Okay. What did he buy for the bicycle? I'm just writing what I see here. What did he buy for the bicycle? Alright, guys, let's do this. 60 seconds. This is under profit and loss. Keep tapping on your screen, guys. Keep tapping. This is a question under profit and loss. Let's do this. A dealer sells a bicycle for 81 naira. He makes a profit of 8%. So what did he buy for the bicycle? That means how much was the original price? How much did he buy the bicycle? If he made a profit of 8% for selling it at 81 naira, so how much did he buy it? How much did he buy it? Please, let's do this. 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 In 60 seconds. In 60 seconds, let's do this. 50 seconds more. 40 seconds more. Let's do this. 40 seconds more. 30 seconds. We are doing a countdown. 30 seconds. 20 seconds more to go. 20 seconds more to go. 20 seconds more to go. 10 seconds. Okay, so now let me get answer. 75 naira, 75 naira, okay, 75 points, 74.52. Okay, so who can tell me what did we do? What did we do to get the answer? Jida Adam, yes, that's how I saw the question. That's how when I was reading it, I was wondering why the English was like that, but that's how I saw it. Mm, that's how I saw it in the question. So, guys, what do we do? What do we do? Who wants to come up to explain to us how to do this? Who wants to come up? Let me know in the comment section. Who wants to come up and explain this to us, how to get the answer? Send an invite, but indicate in the comment. One person at a time. One person at a time can come up. This fast, so we can move on to the next one. Who wants to come up? Who wants to come up? Who wants to come up? Or should I solve it? Indicate in the comment section. Mr. Sainz, I can see your request. Do you want to explain to us? Son of Grace says, bring down the number. How do you mean? How do you mean by bring down the number? Who wants to come up? If you want to come up, just no, I won't solve yet. I allow my audience to solve first. Then if the audience doesn't get the answer, then I come in. If you want to come to us, okay, Mizzy living. Okay. Yes, Mizzy, are you there? Good morning, Miss. Good morning. You're welcome. Good morning. I can hear you well. Can you hear me? Okay. All right. Go on. Go on, Missy. Explain to us. The selling price is it's 1 naira, right? Go on. Go on. Okay. Go on. Okay. So let's find 8% of it 1 naira. Good. So what do we do? Okay. It's over 100 times it's 1. And what do you have? Remember, remember we are not allowed to use the calculator. We assume we are doing Jamb, right? Okay, so we have 8% of it, one as okay, 6.4. Okay. Okay, so what do we do next? Mm-hmm. All right, good. So what do you have? 74.52. Okay, 74.52. Okay, so some people, because you know it's JAMA, we're not allowed to use calculator. Some people, when they see questions like this, they get confused because it has a decimal point. Let me show us how to do this without calculator. Minus 6.48. Lizzie, do you know where I'm going to put this 6? Probably this 6. The 6, will it be under the 8 or under 1? Under 1. So is it going to be like this? 6.48. Is this how I'm going to write it? I'm not using calculator now. I want to subtract 6.48 from 81. Huh? Okay. So we now assume that here has a 0, here has a 0. 0 minus 8 is impossible. 0 minus 4 is impossible. Borrow this 1, put it here, here becomes a 10. From this 10, you borrow a 1 to make this 10. This 10 reduces to 9. 10 minus 8 is what? 2, right? 9 minus 4 gives us 5. We have a decimal point. Yes. So we have the decimal point here. Good. Or let's even solve this and assume there's no decimal point. It's easier that way. Now, you know, remember, we borrow this 1 here. So this becomes a 0, right? So now, from this 8, we are going to borrow 1 from 8 to make this 10. 10 minus 6 will give us what? 4. The 8 reduces to 7, right? So this 7, good, we bring the 7 down. You see, we are doing this now without the use of a calculator. We assume we don't have a calculator with us. Now check. From the question, how many numbers do you have after the decimal points? There are 2 numbers, right? 1, 2. So you also count from your right to your left. 1, 2. So you put your decimal point. So this is how to know where decimal points will be. Guys, hope you understand. Good. So our final answer is going to be 74 naira 52 kobo. So let me see if you got it correctly. Let me check the options. Yes, 74 naira 52 kobo is option B. So Mizzy, you got the answer correctly. Good job. Thank you, Mizzy. That's for you. Thank you, Mizzy. Thank you once more. All right, guys. Hope you understood what we just did here. You can see we solved this question. We solved this question without the use of a calculator because we're writing Jamb. We're not allowed to use calculator. Okay. So there are some little, mathematical concept I'm going to be showing us during this slide on how to solve questions even when you do not have a calculator. Okay. Lips care. You said you didn't get your own this way. Do you want to come up and explain to us? We're here to share knowledge. And remember, you're writing Jamb, so use this shortcut method. No, 75 is not the correct answer. No, wait, no. Is 75 the correct answer? But let me check my options. Let me write out the options. Yes, it's good. Yeah, I think that would be better. Let me write out the options. I have 74, 74.52, 75, 75.52. I'm making use of the answers I'm getting from the audience. Hope or is the issue from his approximation? Who wants to come up? Okay. Lip care. Okay, Mizzy, thank you. Another person wants to come up, so I have to disconnect you now, okay? Okay, let's see. Let's see if I have a request. I'm accepting the request I can see here. Okay, I have somebody here. Hello, Lip care, right? Hello, good morning. How are you? All right, thanks. Yeah, go on. Hello, Lip care. Yeah, I can hear you now. Simon, thank you for the gifts. Thank you. God bless you. Yes, I can hear you. Kindly go on. Yes. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's do this together. Okay, let me clean the board. No, don't use calculator. Is we assume we are writing job, so we just assume we are not using calculator. Do you understand? Okay. So see we can yes, I cleaned it because I want to understand what you're saying. So this is 1 plus 8% of 100 will give us what? All right, let me ask the audience. Without calculator, what is 8% of 100? 100 has two zeros. Very good. 0. Good. 0.08. So 1 plus 0.08. We are here to share knowledge. Everybody have 1.08. Okay. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Cost price. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yes. So you divide both sides by the profits. Yes. Yes. That's why I said you divide both sides by profits. Okay. Mm-hmm. So if so this is the profits we have. Okay. Just audience, do we agree here is explaining? Do we agree? Let me know in the comment section. Do you agree with her explanation? Let me know in the comment section. Let's see what let's see what the audience have to say so far. Do we agree with what she's explaining? Do we agree with her? Let me know in the comments. She's mind formula is different. Okay, Mr. Sense, I will bring you up. I'll bring you up to. But let's see, guys. Okay, guys, do we agree with her? Do we agree with her solution? 75. Okay, let's see. So for a question like this, can you see that I got the second option? Another person is getting 75. Correct. Mr. Sense, don't worry, you come up. Just hold on. Lipke, thank you so much for your contribution. Thank you. We're grateful. Yeah. So guys, is Lipke correct? If she's correct, can you type correct in the comment section? Can you type correct? If another person has another method, come and let us know. If she's correct, let us know in the comment section. Just type correct. Type correct. Okay. So we now agree that 75 is the correct answer. All right. So we have another person here, Mr. Sense. He said he has another method. You know, this is Jamb. So our concern is to work with the possible shortcut method we can get for any question. Mr. Sense, are you there? Okay, I see it's still loading. Hello, Mr. Sense. You're welcome. Yes, I can. I can. Can you go on? Okay, so tell us your own. Okay. Mm-hmm. Go on, go on. Yes. Yeah, go on. I can hear you. You are muted, oh, Mr. Sense. You are muted. Mr. Sense, are you there? Hello. All right, go on. Mm-hmm. CP selling price times 100. Okay. Go on. 100 plus. You said like this. Uh-huh. Profit. Uh-huh. Profit percent like this. After the plus 100 like this. Look at what I wrote on the screen. Look at what I wrote. Is this what you mean? The way it is like this. Is this what you mean? Selling price times 100. Yes, see it now. Selling price times 100. All of it percentage plus 100. Okay. So we now substitute. Okay. So 81 here. So this is going to be 81 times 100 over. Mm-hmm. Okay. So this becomes 81 times. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. So if you divide 8,100 by 108. It will give us 75, right? Okay, by 108 to give us 75. Okay, your answer is correct. So guys, do we agree with Mr. Saint from working? Do we agree with him? If you agree with him, tell me yes, agreed. Tell me yes, agreed. The most important thing, okay, everybody says you're correct. So thank you so much. Thank you. So to you and is it lip care? Yes, lip care vendor. Thank you to all of you for your engagement. So let's move on to the next one. So guys, between his method and the other method, which one do we prefer? Which one is shorter between the two of them? Let me know in the comment section. Is it the first method or the second method? Which one is the shorter one? Which one is the shorter one? So we have another one. Let me know in the comment section which method do you prefer among the two. Let's try this in 30 seconds. This is a question in statistics. Okay. His own is shorter. Okay, Mr. Sense, everybody seems to prefer your method. Thank you. Thank you once more. Yeah. Guys, let's do this in 30 seconds. 4, 9, 4, 13, 17, 14, 10, 7. What's the median? What's the median? We shouldn't waste time on a question like this, right? So what's the median here? What's the median? We spent 1 hour so far. The median. 20 seconds more. 20 seconds more. Guys, let's go on. Yes, Mr. Science, do you have the answer? 17 and 14. No, you can't have two answers, oh. Schoolboy. You have just one answer. Star has 10. Lip 9. Okay, 19 and 13. You can't have answers. You have to have just one answer. Please, there are 10 seconds more. 10 seconds more. So, 9. Okay, so let's see. So what do we do? First, you have to ensure that you arrange order, right? So we have 4, 4, followed by what? The next number is 7. Always arrange. Anytime you have a question under statistics, like this, ensure from the smallest to the bigger number. We have 7. What's next? 9. Then what's next? 10, 13, 14, 17. There is this my follower that is always online, Ola Flows. I've not seen him today. I've not seen Ola Flows today. Ola Flows. He's not here today and he's always around. Oh, he was here initially. I didn't see his comments. So what do we do? Here, this goes with this goes with this. So it's only middle and 10. So you add 9 plus 10 and divide by 2. 9 plus 10 is 19 over 2. So 19 divided by 2 will give us what? 9.5. So our answer, no, is 9.5. Am I correct? 9.5. So our answer is 9.5 for 19 over 2. So in the option given, the answer was given in what? In fraction. So our answer is 19 over 2. So to those that got 19 over 2, good job. To those that got 19 over 2. So let's go to the next one. Okay, Ola Flows. I'm just seeing you. I was just asking of you. I didn't know you were here. Hope you had a good night. So let's go to the next one. Okay. This is a most students do not like because it is inequality. One is on inequality. It says list all the integer values. It's a sense your environment is a bit noisy. Please can you mute yourself? Satisfying the inequality. Minus 1 less than 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 5. Minus 1 less than 2x less than 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 5. So, for the integer value of x, satisfy the inequality. Should I give the options or there is no need? Should I give the options or there is no need? Guys, keep tapping on your screen. Should I give the options? Let me know in the comment section. Should I give the options or there is no need? Umu Aiman, thank you. Umu Aiman on Facebook, thank you so much, ma'am. Should I give the options? Yes or no? Should I give the options? Minus 1 less than 2x. Minus 1 less than 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 5. So we have to list all the integer value of x satisfying the inequality. Okay, I should give the options. All right. Option A is 2, 3, 4, 5. Option B, 2, 5. Option C, 3, 4, 5. Option D, 2, 3, 4. Option E, 3 and 4. And let's do this. Let's do this, please. So we have the options. We have the options here. Minus 1 less than 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 5. I'm waiting on. Who wants to come up and explain to us? 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are having different answers. Let's get more answers. Before I accept anyone, you have to let me know in the comment that you want to come up before I accept you. I have to be sure why you want to come up. I'm getting the invites, but you have to let me know in the comment section if you want to come and explain to us. Let me know in the comment first before you join. Who wants to come up? Who wants to come and explain to us? If you're watching from TikTok, I want to come up. Let me know. Who wants to come up? Ngutuku, do you want to come up? Yes, not B. The answer is not B. The answer is not B. Guys, please can you give me a follow, repost? Who wants to come up? Nobody is saying anything. Ola, are you there? Ola, are you there? C, E, flashback, C as the option. You want to come up and explain to us how you got the C? Would you want to come up? Who wants to come up? I'm waiting. Malik, the answer is not D. No. The answer is not D. Obzicot, thank you so much for the gifts. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you. God bless you. Nikila, you got sick. Do you want to come up and tell us how you got? Schoolboy, no, the answer is not B. Zizi, the answer is not B. Thank you. Thank you for the gift. Thank you. God bless you. Ha, Malik, I'm waiting. No, nobody is coming up. Oh. Nobody is coming up. I'm still waiting. Oh. Obstacle, thank you so much for the roses. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you all. Guys, I'm waiting. Oh, I'm waiting. Oh, one person has to come up. Oh, KG baby, thank you for the rose. Thank you. God bless you. Missy Living, yes, you can come up. Send an invite. Allah, you sent request. Okay, let me check. Okay, I have. Let me accept the two of you and see. And let me hear two of you speak. Hello, Mutuku. Good morning. You're welcome. All right. Okay, but before then, please, can you tell us what your final answer is? Which of yes, but which one is your final answer? Yes. No, it's not correct. No, the final answer is incorrect. I said the final answer is incorrect. Yes, the final answer, right? Hello, Ola. Good morning. Yes, the final answer is not option A. Let me ask the other person. Ola, Ola, what's your final answer? What's your final answer? Hey, yeah, sorry. Okay, can you explain to us how you have a 3, 4, and 5? All right. Okay, let's go. Let's start. -1 less than 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 5. So, like, go on. Yes, you split the inequality. Good. That's the first. So, what do you do? Uh-huh. Yes. And the second one. 2x minus 5. Less than or equal to 5. Good. Yes. Go on. Sorry. Okay, let's go. Okay, so okay, the 5 will cross. Yes, -1 plus 5. Okay, less than 2x, right? Okay, so here we have 4. 4 less than 2x. So, but there is no minus here. -1 plus 5. -1 plus 5 is 4. We are gone. X is less than. Yes, divide both sides by 2. So 2 cancels 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we have 2 less than x. What will be the final value here? 2 less than x is the x. Uh-huh. Okay, let's go to the right hand. Now let's go to the right hand side. This becomes less than or equal to 5 plus 5, right? Good. So this becomes 2x less than or equal to 5 plus 5 is 10, right? Okay. Divide both sides by 2. So 2 cancels 2. We have x less than or equal to 5. Okay, now combining the results. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Go on. 2 less than x less than or equal to 5. Good. So let's bring out the range from here. So this is going to be 2, 3. No, 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 no. What is going to be the range? To start from what? Yes, 3, 4, and 5, right? Uh-huh. 2 less than x less than or equal to 5. This has been simplified. So this is 2 less than x. So this is going to be what? That is 2 less than x. That means we start from 3. Less than or equals to 5. Less than or equal to 5. That means you're going to have 4 inclusive and the 5. So the answer is 3, 4, 5. Option C. Allow for your contribution. Ongotuku, please hope you understand what we just did. So I hope you have seen the correction. Thank you so much, Ongotuku, for coming up. I appreciate you. Thank you. Guys, if you understand what we just did here, kindly type understood in the comments. Is it short? No, I think this one is shorter. This one is straightforward. Now, is it a shortcut method? Yes, this one. Moran Keji says, why is it 3, 4? Why is it 3, 4, 5? She explained, she didn't get me. Maybe you should explain to her. Maybe she will understand your own better. Why is it 3, 4, 5? Why is it 3, 4, 5? No, she don't say 2 less than x less than or equals to 5. Why we have the ranges 3, 4, 5. This is 2 less than x. It is less than 2. Just go on. She's in the comments. She's there listening to you. Yes, bigger than 2. Yes. Mm-hmm. Mm. It must not be more than 5 because it is less than. Equal to means it has to be 5 has to be inclusive. And less than means the numbers less. And then the x is already telling us that the x is greater than 2. So the number greater than 2. Mm. Yeah, sorry. You need to contribute money for your. Because I think it was Moran Ikeji. Moran Ikeji that asked the question. Moran Ikeji, let us know if you understand. So let's go to the next question, right? So don't waste time on one question. So the next question here is under quadratic equation. Hmm? I checked the comment. Did she reply? So the next one says, okay, find the equation 10x squared minus 13x minus 3 is equal to 0. Let's do this sharp. I think we can factorize this. It says find the root of the equation. Just factorize sharp, sharp. Factorize, you get your answer. Let's do this in 60 seconds. In 60 seconds, let's factorize. Get your answer. Let's factorize and get our answer. Let's factorize and get our answer. Guys, let's drop our answer. Find the root of the equation. Guys, let's do this sharp sharp. There's no time. I don't want to give options. There's no need for giving options like this. Hello, F man. Good morning. You're welcome. Greetings to you too. Thank you for the gifts. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you, F man. Guys, keep tapping on your screen. Please don't forget. Thank you, F. Thank you always. I'm waiting. No answer yet. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. 30 seconds more. 30 seconds more. Okay, what's your answer? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll pick answers in the comments. Drop it in the comments. Guys, keep tapping on your screen. Keep tapping on your screen. I don't want us to waste much time on this question. So let's do this together, guys. Let's do this together. Take the first coefficient of the first term and the last term. Multiply them together. That is 10 times 3. This will give us 30. The factors of 30, we have 1 and 30. We have 2 and 15. Or like the other one we have? We have 3 and 10, right? So now, you're going to pick any of these two. In the sense that when you add or you subtract, to give us the middle term here, which is 13. And then which one did you pick? Which give us minus 13, sorry. Okay. I think we can take, I'm using factorization. We can use minus 3 minus 10, right? This becomes but I think we arrive at the same answer. So this will be plus 2 minus 15 plus. But if we use minus 3 minus 10, are we not going to have the same answer? I will test it though. So you pick the first two brackets and the last two times, you put them in the bracket. The common factor here is what? Common factor here is 2. You factorize 2, okay, just the common factor is 2x, right? If factorize 2x from 10x, we have 5. Plus, if factorize 2x from 2x, we have 1. Am I correct? Oh, Ola, this is 10x squared now. This is 10x squared. So if factorize 2x from 10x squared, we have 5x, right? Plus, factorize 2x from 2x, we have 1. Minus, the common factor here is 3. If factorize 3 from 15x, we are going to be having 5x. So be careful, because this is a common mistake. This minus here, we affect the minus in the bracket. That will give us a plus. Factorize 3 from 3, we have 1. Right? This is equal to 0. So the two factors in the brackets must be the same. So pick them as 1. 5 plus 1 equals to 0. Or let's pick the factors outside the brackets, which is what? 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So let's simplify the left hand side. This becomes 5x is equal to 0 minus 1. So 5x will be equal to minus 1. We'll divide both sides by 5. So x is equal to minus 1 over 5. Ola, is this one of your answer? Okay, so let's simplify the right hand side. This becomes 2x is equal to 0. Minus 3 because to the right hand side that become a plus 3. So we have 2x is equal to 0 plus 3 is 3. We divide both sides by 2. So 2 cancels 2. We have x is equal to 3 over 2. So the root we have 5 and 3 over 2. Ola? Yes, let me ask. Do you have another method, Ola? Or this is the method you used? 3 over 2 is easier. Quadratic formula, okay. Yeah, everybody here has the correct answer set. Everybody here has the correct answer. The answers are somebody has 5 and 8. It's look. It's oh okay. Go get and say let's use the formula method. Okay. Let's use the formula method for that. So nobody has responded now. There's no time. Because that's the target. I was only one person responded saying just use the formula method. Ola, explain the formula method to them. Huh? Okay, well, let's do it. Minus b squared. I'm coming. Minus x equals to minus b plus or minus. I've not used this formula in a long time, so I forgot. Over 2a, right? Okay, so a is 10, b is minus 30, and c is minus 3. Why do I feel like this method is too long for Jamb? So this is minus b. And I feel like this method is too long. Minus b, which is what? Minus 13 square, right? Minus 4 times a times 10 times c, which is minus 3b. I go on. A, which is 10. Hope all my values are correct. So guys, I'm just substituting the values of A and B into the equation. So this is equals to minus times minus is 13. I mean plus. So this becomes 13 plus or minus. What is square root of 1? I mean 13. That is 169, right? Minus times minus here is plus. 4 times 40. 40 times 3 is 120, right? Divided by what? 20. So this becomes what? 13 plus minus square root of what? 169 plus 120 is what? 9 plus 0 is 9. 289. This one, does it have a perfect square? 289. 17. Okay, 17. So this is equal to 13 plus or minus 17 over 20, right? So this is 13 plus 17 over 20, or 13 minus 17 over 20, right? So 13 plus 17 gives us what? Is it 30? So 30 over 20, which is the same thing as 3 over 2, right? Then 30 minus 17 is what? Minus 4, right? Minus 4 over 20, which is minus 2 over 10, which is equals to minus 1 over 5. Okay, so any which method we use, you see, we arrived at the same answer. We have 3 over 2 or minus 1 over 5. If you understand, kindly type understood in the comment section so we can move on to the next one. But wait, before then, guys, do you prefer the factorization method or the formula method for a question of this nature? If you have to write Jamb, which one is easier? To use. You are in a Jamb situation now. You meet yourself in a Jamb class. Which one would you rather go for? Is it the first method or the second one? No, rather factorizing. Factorization is very simple. And you see, if you are factorizing, but you can easily know if you are factorizing, you can easily know if your answer is not correct. Okay. When you are yes. So once one of the brackets is different, you know, it will guide you to know that guy, what you are doing is wrong. Yes, but the formula method will not tell you. Yes. But the formula method will not tell you if you are wrong. You just be solving and you'll be happy. Not knowing that you missed out a step. Sorry. That's why I don't know. I prefer the formula and the factorization method. So this one now is under total surface area of plane shape. So the question says a solid cylinder. This one, if you don't sabi the formula, you won't be able to answer it. The formula is paramount. A solid cylinder of velocity has the total surface area, has the total surface area of 36 pi, 36 pi centimeter square. Find the height. Find its height. I'm not going to drop. Is there need for me to drop what options? Do I have to drop options or we'll solve it? If you need help, if you need the formula, tell me, I'll tell you. If you want me to remind you of the formula. Some of us cannot remember the formula. If you want the formula, let me know. If you want the formula, let me know. The solid cylinder has a radius 3 centimeters. Total surface area is given as what? As 36 pi centimeters square. We are required to find the height. Hello, Mufti. Thank you. Mufti, I've not forgotten your data. Don't worry. You get your data. It's so busy, but I will give you. I'll send to you. And Facebook top 5 fans. 5 give data. I promise to give them data. So if you are here with me on Facebook, you'll receive your data today after my class. So guys, drop your answer in the comments. Drop your answer in the comments. Three centimeters, okay. Let's get more answers from the audience. I want somebody to try this. I want another person to come up. Who wants to come up? Ola, can you remind me of the formula? Who wants the formula? Mizzy wants the formula. Good. So total surface area of a cylinder is pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. So let's do this together. So wait, what did I just say? Yes, two circular ends. Surface area. Yes, this is called surface area. You can also write this as like this. So you can also write it as 2 pi r open bracket r plus h. Sure, you know. This is another way of writing the formula. So let's do this together, guys. This is 2 times pi, which is 22 over 7 times the radius. The radius is 3. Then times 3 plus the height, which is what we are looking for. We have the total given as what? 36. So we're going to substitute 36 here. So here we have 36 is equal to 2 times 22 is 44. 44 times 3. You know, I'm not using calculator. Huh? What are you talking to me? Did you use pi? Like what did you use? Multiply here. Okay. No, it's better to use it. Okay, I'm coming. Let's first multiply. That's 6 times 7, right? Is equals to 132 open bracket 3 plus h. So what is that 6 times 7? Please help me. At 6 times 7. Are you sure? 252 is equals to 132 times 3. 132 times 3 will give us what? 396, right? So we have 396 plus 132h. So we just expanded this bracket. 132 times 3 is 396. 132 times h is 132h. So if we collect, we're going to have 252 minus 396 is equals to 132h. So what is 252 minus 396? Yeah, I have 4. Is it 144? Ola, please let me confirm. Is it 144? Comment section, is it 144? Audience, is it 144? How is 22/7? Okay. So we are dividing both sides by 132, right? So it's what is 144 divided by 132? 144 divided by 132. Is that supposed to be the answer? Ola, is that supposed to be the answer? Eh? No. That is 36 times 7. Please, guys, help me check. Check through the comments. We get negative answer. No, we can't have negative answer. It's not possible. Please, somebody should help me check. Maybe something is incorrect here. Somebody should please help me check. Let me check the steps. Let me check if the options we have there. We have 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. The answer is 3. Yeah, we have 252 minus 396. Here is 144. There's a step that we omitted. Somebody should help me check. There's a step we must have omitted. 2, 5, wait. Ola, 252 minus 369 is even supposed to be a negative value. Yeah, this one is even supposed to be a negative value. Wait, let me go back and check. Let me go back. Let me do it step by step. Total surface area is 36. Then we have this 2 pi r is called 2. Wait. No, I'm coming. If I'm using this formula, it's the same thing. See, here. Wait, Ola, please hold on. Sorry, I just factorized 2 pi r here. You know, this is 2 pi r squared, 2 pi r h. So this one is correct. The formula is correct, right? We agree that the formula is correct. So this is 36 is equals to 22/7 times r, 3. Then open bracket r, which is 3 plus h. Is this step correct? Look at the step. Is it correct? It's correct. So let's see. So this becomes 36 is equal to 2 times 22 is 44, right? 2 times 22 is 44 times 3. Let me confirm. 44 times 3. We are doing this together. Times 3. That is correct. So this is 132 open bracket 3 plus h over the denominator, which is 7. So now I multiply 36 by 7. 36 by 7 is it 252? 252. 132. This becomes a minus. 252 minus this is 144. So and we are having a negative value. Why? And our formula is correct. Let me see if the question I wrote is correct. It's something that of radius 3 centimeters. Question is 3 pi. 3 pi. I've seen the mistake. I've seen it. Ola, I've seen the mistake. No. Wait, I want somebody to tell me where the mistake is. I've seen it. Abdulaziz said you did not square the 22/7. No, that's not where the mistake is. That's not the mistake. So another person should check. Somebody should check. I've seen the mistake. The formula is correct. It's not from the formula. It's from substitution. And it's the first step of substituting. I've seen the mistake. I've seen the error. I've seen it. Who can tell me? I'm going to count 5. Anybody that identified the mistake, I'll give person 1 gig. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pam, pam, pam. Nobody got it. Nobody. Hey, nobody can identify the mistake. Nobody. Nobody is not correct. Nobody. I've seen the mistake. None of you can identify it. Hey, almost 100 viewers. Nobody. See the mistake here. Let me show you. The area is what? 36 pi, but I used 36. I did not put the pi. Have you seen it? That's the mistake. Oh. Instead of 36 pi, I just use 36. That's the only mistake we have here. So I'm supposed to have a pi here, pi here. So this becomes, I'm going to multiply this by 22/7. So now this is 22 times 252. Please let me, Yola, help me with the answer. 22 times 252. You see, nobody identified it. Yes. Okay, divide it by 7, please. 792. Thank you. So here, this place now, this value becomes 792. So here I'm going to have 792 minus 369. 792 minus 369. I mean 396. 792 minus 396. Huh? Okay, 396. Good. So we divide both sides by 132. So 396 divided by 132 is what? The answer is 3. Good. So the answer is 3 what? What's going to be the unit? Centimeter, right? So all thanks to me. Let me cheer myself up. Nobody can identify the error. If you understand, tell me continue in the comment section. If you understand, tell me continue in the comment section. Type continue so we can move on to the next one. Yes, now you can manage time. The reason why is even, do you know that there's something you can even do here. This pi, this 22/7. You know that you can also see this pi here and this pi here. This pi can cancel this pi sharp, sharp. Show you over. Eh? If you want to use that method too, you can do. So it will not become what? From here, you just say that if the pi will make the process longer. So this will just become 36 is equal to 2 times 3. Okay, that's what you did, but then 3 times h. See, from here is even shorter. If you are doing Jamb, use this method. 2 times 3 is 6. Open bracket 3 plus h. This now becomes 36 is equal to 3 times 6 is what? 18 plus 6h, right? So you have 36 minus 18 is equal to 6h. 36 minus 18 is what? 18. 18 is equal to 6h. Divide both sides by 6. You see, sharp, sharp, I don't finish. H is equal to 18 divided by 6. 3. I don't finish. Well, I 5 seconds to solve it. I get it. Yes, now I get what you mean. Can you see that from here? Once you have the formula, voila, in 5 seconds you get your answer. Once you have the the formula, 5 seconds, me, I'll get my answer sharp, sharp. So I even think I suggest this one, this method. Just cancel the ties. Do this straight. This one is shorter than this one. This one is shorter. So go for the shorter method. So for every question we are solving, we always look out for different methods we can solve and go with the shorter one. That's the ball of contention, to know how to use the short method, right? So guys, let me continue if you are good with this. Tell me continue. Guys, keep tapping on your screen. Or before I finish today's class, I'm going to get to 50K likes today for the first time. For the first time, give me 50K likes in this live. 50K. Keep tapping on your screen, guys. Keep tapping and repost. And tell me continue in the comment section so we can go on. Can you type continue? Type continue so we can move on to the next one. Okay, I should leave. Okay. I have left, or if you want to take a screenshot, I have left. So we can move on to the next question. Ma, please explain the second method. The second method, what I did is, see, total surface area is equal to these two here times the pi times r, the radius which is 3, open bracket, the r which is 3 plus the height h, right? So what I just did here to simplify the work is the pi on the right hand side cancel the pi on the left hand side. And now left with 36 is equal to these two, this is the 2 here times 3, then open bracket 3 plus h, see it here. So here you just simplify. 36 is equal to 2 times 3 is 6. Then you have the bracket 3 plus h. So times 3 is 18. 6 times h is 6h. So 36 is what? This 18 cross the left hand side become minus 18 is equal to 6h. Then 6 minus 18 is 18 equals to 6h. We divide both sides by 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. So easy. So the second method is easier if you are doing Jamb. Why didn't I put square on the 36? No, I'm not putting square on the 36 because that's the total surface area now. From the formula, total surface area is not, the formula is not total surface area square. It is just total surface area. Can I continue? Tell me continue in the comment section. Type continue in the comment section so we can move on to the next one. Is the unit that has square? Yes, it's the unit that is centimeter square. The unit of area is centimeter square. Height is meter centimeter. Breadth is centimeter. Width is centimeter. But area is centimeter square. Volume is centimeter cube. Okay, Arike, I'm waiting. Oh, please, I want to move on to the next one. Guys, keep tapping on your screen. Please don't forget. Arike, why not take a screenshot so we can move on? Okay, Ola said I should continue. Guys, don't forget to keep reposting. Keep sharing this live, please, and keep tapping on your screen so we can get more audience. The more audience, the more likes, the more views, more gifts, more everything, more knowledge. So what we are doing is we are solving random questions. Ola, your friend is not around today. Gemini Oracle. And another Ola. There's another Ola too that used to be active. But one girl, Mark girl. She's also not here. PQR. Here we have a from Q to R, we have 9 centimeters. So it says PN is perpendicular. If PN is perpendicular to QR, find the value of tan x. This question is too simple now. This question is too simple for Jamb students now. Guys, let's find tan x. Julian, Adora, thank you for the follow. Guys, please keep tapping. Give me a follow. Thank you. We are 35k likes. We are going 50k before the end of the class. Guys, solve this and drop your answer. Solve and drop your answer, please. Okay. So I say, what topic is this? This is under trigonometry. Nikila, this is trigonometry. Roy B has 3 over 5. Okay. 3 over 5 is correct. Thank you, Roy B. You got it right. That's correct. So can we solve this guy? Guys, can we solve this? Come up to help us solve it. Roy B, would you want to come up to explain to the audience how you got your answer? Or should I solve it? Okay, Roy B is here already. That girl say I'm only seeing PQR. How did PN enter? Okay. Oh, all right. The last point here is supposed to be PN. Yes, here is PN. Anyone that sees familiar with trigonometry will be like, yes, PN. Roy B, are you ready? Yeah, I can hear you clearly. Help us with the solution. What do you do first to find an X? Okay, we need to find QN. So how do we get QN? All right. QPN, okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Using Pythagoras. Okay. So can you state the Pythagoras? Uh-huh. Hypotenuse square. Yeah. All right. So the hypotenuse here is okay. Uh-huh. Five square. Yes. Mm-hmm. Okay, so here we have the opposites, which is 3 square plus the QN side, right? So QN square, right? So if I collect items, I have 5 square minus, okay, I have 5 square minus 3 square is equals to QN square, right? Okay. Yes. 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 Okay. 16. Okay. So we have 16 is equals to QN square. Good. So what do we do? Yeah, so we take the square root of both sides, right? All right. So that the square root cancels the square. So QN will be equals to square root of 16 is equals to 4, right? Okay. Sorry, I'm also interrupting you. It's not like sorry, Roy B, right? I'm also interrupting you because I have to also speak what I'm doing because I'm also live on other apps. You understand? So the followers they will understand what we're doing. Okay. So now we have the value for QN. So what do we do next? What's formula for tan X? Okay. Okay. So how? Yeah, I can hear you. Go. Yeah, go on. Okay. NR is QR minus QN. Okay. So NR will be equal to. We have QR as 9 centimeter, and we have right? Okay. Centimeter. So go on. Okay. Tan is opposite of adjacent. Okay. So what's the value for the opposite? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, so considering the second triangle PNR, right? So NR is 5 centimeter. Here's the opposite, which is 3 centimeter. Okay, so opposite is 3, adjacent is 5. Okay, so that's how you got tan x to be equals 3/5, right? Okay, thank you so much for your contribution. So guys, if Roy B is correct in the comment section, if he's correct, kindly type correct in the comment section. If Roy B is correct, kindly type correct in the comment section. The solution is correct. Kindly type correct. Good. Okay, everyone says correct. Small Roy B. Thank you. Anyone have a shorter method? Hello, Mr. Engineer Rash. Good morning. From wherever you are watching from, you're welcome to my life. So, guys, thank you, Roy B, once more for your contribution. Does anyone have a shorter method for this? Is there any short method for this? This one does not have shortcut. Please just the steps you have to follow. Ola, you have a shorter method. Come up and tell us. What can we do? If you have a shorter method, bring it up. Ola, come up if you have a shorter method. Charlie James, I can see your request. May I know why you want to come up? Do you want to contribute? Charlie James, please let me know. I only accept those that want to contribute to the class to come up. Okay, Rabi, thank you so much for coming up. You can just have everything at a time. So I might have to disconnect you now. And if you want to contribute next, then I'll connect you back, okay? All right, Ola, you have a short method. Are you there? Okay, so let us know your short method to this question. Dennis said this is the best way, please. Okay. Okay. But your method is short. Is it mathematically accepted? Okay, we are here to share knowledge and to see what other people have to offer. Different ideas. Ola, let's see your method. So guys, can I clean the board? We want to try another method. Let's see. Let's see a shorter method that will work for this same question. So, Roy, thank you once more. Let's see your last method. He said he has a shortcut method on how to treat this question. Ola, let's go. So start. The floor is yours. You have the 2 to now. Yes. Wait, sorry, Ola. Somebody says, wait, Ola, sorry. Sorry, somebody just said the guy is wrong, that the answer is 3/4. Is the answer 3/4? Let me check the options. No, the answer is not 3/4. No, the answer is not supposed to be 3/4. The answer is 3/5. The guy is correct. I didn't see any point where he was wrong. And now I've cleaned the board. And funny enough, I have 3/4 in the option. I have 3/5. There's 3/4, there's 3/5 in the option. Let's go say QT is 9 or what? Wait, I'm coming. There's no ready for that done. That's why when somebody solves, I want people to tell me. Everybody said it's correct, it's correct. Ola, don't worry, let's continue. Let's go with yours. Yes, QR is 9. Ola, let's go with your method. Let's go with your method. Hope my board is still clear, please. The light has been ceased. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yes. Angle attack. Uh-huh. An angle attack equals to. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yes. That's this three. Mm-hmm. PQ. PQ square. Uh-huh. Root of this like this. So your adjacent, you say your adjacent is QR, that is this. So what you apply there now is the Pythagoras rule. Okay, what you're solving, wait, what you're solving now is for the adjacent. Okay. Yes. This is to get the adjacent. Okay. So QR is what? 9, right? Huh? PQ is what? 5. 5 square, yes. PN is 3 square, okay. That is root 16. So QR will give us 4. Okay. Voila, hold on. Sorry, please. If we say QR is equals to 4, but QR has been given as 9 now. So how is QR 4? Uh, okay, 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 let's hold on. Let me hear from the audience. Guys, do you agree with what Ola is Guys, do you agree with what Ola is doing on the board? Let me know. You guys should please respond. Do you agree with this method Ola is doing? Ola, wait, let's get comments. Let's get comments from the audience. Let's get comments from the audience. Guys, I'm in the comment section, please. It's kind of confusing. You see? No. Well, even with you, I'm trying to understand your method, Sha. ODM says Ola carrying me on another place. Because me, I'm trying to understand why. I'm trying to understand why. Me, I don't know. I don't know, Sha. But looking at the diagram, Kira has already been given as well. So why are we not getting the same product before? Guys, what do you suggest? Let's just see. Guys, what's your suggestion? Let me know in the comment section. Well, this value for 300. Is it a formula? Mm-hmm. So the guy is correct. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. So this is not supposed this is not supposed to be QR, right? This is supposed to be NR. Now he's making a whole lot of it's making sense now. Because if here is NR, your NR QA. Okay, yes. That's from here to here. Okay. Ola, I don't know, but your method is confusing me. I swear your method is confusing me. Eh? Please, wait, so this 4 we got now is the value for what? QN. Okay, if we say QN, so how is QN equals to PQ minus PN to get this side? Okay, using Pythagoras rule. Okay, wait. Using Pythagoras, is that what you did here? You used hypotenuse square. What you did here was you did hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent. We are looking for the adjacent. So you now make the adjacent the subject to get this 4. So if here is 4, if you get here to be 4, and the whole of this line is 9, this will become 9 minus 4 to get 5 here. Abby? Then good. And tan x is equals to what? Opposite over what? Adjacent. And what is the opposite? Opposite is 3. Adjacent is 5. So the guy is correct. He's correct. The guy is correct. Thank you. So 3 over 5 is correct. What's his name? Roy B. Thank you once more. Thank you. We appreciate your contribution. So guys, let's go to the next one. So you see, sometimes there might be little arguments when solving a question. It's not because we want to argue, but because we want to be sure that we are all on the same page. I don't know it all, so I'm also learning. I'm here to learn too. Okay, we have a question that students don't like to see. Once they see question like this in Jamb, so people will just leave it. Is it that they just choose any option or they just leave it, but they usually don't solve the question. Any question that has shape like this. This is P, this is T, S, R. So these two lines are all nice. So in the figure, the question says in the figure, PQ is parallel to SN. Find the area of QRSC to the area of PQRS. Any person I say, I will not jump any question, we must solve it together. Guys, please keep tapping on your screen. Don't forget. Keep tapping on your screen. Ngotuku, you're welcome back. All right, guys. So let's solve this. Please hope my screen is clear. I hope my board is clear. Please, let's do this, guys. Guys, let's do this together, please. Okay, it was happening on Facebook. Thank you and see you. All right, David. So we've cleared that. So guys, let's do this. In the figure, PQ parallel to SR, ST is parallel to RQ, PS 7. So let me just, okay, I will not include the value. PS equals 7. PT is equal to 7. This is 7, 7. SR is 4. SR is 4. We're looking for an area of QRST. QRST, area of this side over PQRS. PQRS, area of this over the area of the whole shape. So what type of shape is this? You can tell me in the comments. That girl, thank you so much. That girl, thank you. Guys, please keep tapping on your screen. So which guys, which what's the name of this shape? What's the name of this shape? What's the name of the shape? It's like we have two shapes here, but if you look at this shape, no, but I think there are two shapes here. Look at this very well. This R, which letter will come first? RSTQ. RSTQ is a trapezium, right? So it's trapezium. Parallelogram. Which one is the parallelogram? It seems there are two shapes there. QRST. PQ. PQRS. What shape is that?